Okay guys, today's tutorial will walk you through on how to send large files in Gmail. To start, open your Gmail, then you click on the compose button and now you add the email address that you want to share the file to, the subject of the file, and in the message area here, you click on the attach bio icon at the bottom of the screen. Then you choose the files or documents you want to share. If the file is larger than 25 MB, Gmail will prompt you to upload the file to Google Drive. So you click on upload and Gmail automatically inserts a link to the Drive file in your email. Now to input the link, click on the insert link here. You input the text you want to display on the link, then you paste the link you just copied on your drive. You paste it here, then you tap or select OK. Once that is done, you click on the send button below to send the large files. That's it guys. You have easily and successfully sent large files in Gmail. You can also upload the large files using this, insert files using Drive. You upload the files in the drive, you copy the link and you input it in the message area. Hope you enjoyed the video guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and would like to get more of these informative tips, hit the like buttons and subscribe for more. See you next time guys. Bye.